How's it going, everyone? We are going to give a quick video tutorial on how the shopping procedure works, as well as choosing a container size whenever you're shopping that is right for you. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into this. But before we get started, this is our home page, and I do encourage any of you on the website to go ahead and explore a little bit. We provide many services that you would find useful if you are importing products, as well as some tools for inventory management. I definitely recommend you taking a look at some of those, as importing product can be very tricky or complicated. We do our best to make it as simple and easy as possible, and I'm going to show you a little bit about how we do that today. So whenever you're searching for products on our website, you can type in the search bar here and search a product specifically, or you can go to our menu and our products tab, which was what we're going to do today. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and this will take us to our product category page, and an automatic pop-up will come up prompting us to choose a container size. So just to give you a background for those of you that are new to importing, we offer 3 different sizes: a 20-foot, a 40-foot, and a 40 high cube container. As you can see, all those are listed here, and it will tell you how many cubic meters right below each container offers. So you may not know what size of a container you need or you want to import. You can always choose one and then change it later while you're shopping. If you realize you need a larger or smaller container, you can change it midway. Like I said, we try to make it as easy as possible. So for the sake of today's tutorial, we're going to choose the 20-foot and get started. So as you can see, now that we've chosen our container, it does show up here. It is very bland and kind of grayed out because we have nothing in it. If you hover your cursor over it, it will pop up this box, which will show you the details about your container, how full it is, how empty it is, as well as the size. So we're going to go ahead and get started shopping. Today we're going to be a flooring store, and we're going to order some carpet tile. So we're going to go to the flooring category, and we are adding new products to our website every day. Every product goes through a very strenuous approval process. We make sure that everything put on the website is going to be satisfactory to our customers. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the carpet tile. And we're just going to click on the first one we come to. If you hover your cursor over the product, it zooms in for you, gives you a little bit closer look, so you can see the details of the fibers and whatnot. Then the name of the carpet tile that we've named it, as well as if we scroll down, you have some basic product information, and then if you continue to go down, you have a little bit more detail about the product. So we're going to go ahead and add this to our container, and we are going to order 400 boxes. And add to our container. And as you can see in real time, the container does begin to fill up. So we have it about 62% filled, as you can see. So now we have an option. We can either add more to the container, or we can switch container sizes if we think we're going to need more room on the container once we're finished shopping. But this gives you a pretty good judge of how fast your container is going to get full. So we're going to go ahead and keep the 20-foot container and continue shopping. You can scroll down for related products, and we're actually going to choose this carpet tile as well. Now again, you don't have to choose just carpet tile. You can choose any product on our website, and we will do all of the consolidation for you overseas. All you have to do is pick an item that you want and add it to your container. It's very simple and easy to use. So we're going to go ahead and add 300 boxes of this carpet tile, and we are going to see where that puts us on the container. So as you can see, the prompt comes up. We don't have enough room in the container for 300 boxes of this carpet tile. We only have enough room for 240. So we can either upgrade our container size to a larger size and continue shopping, but for the sake of today's tutorial, again, we're just going to change this to 240 and add that to our cart. So that should bring us to a full cart, and it does. As you hover over, you can see it's 100% filled. That is what we encourage every container to be. There is a little bit of leeway. I think it's 98%, maybe 1% overfilled. We recommend you go right on the 100%. That is the most efficient way to ship the containers. And if you don't have it at least, I think 99% full, you will not be able to check out. So we do kind of force you to be as efficient as possible, and we make you fill up the container as full as you can, because that is the most efficient way to import it. So now that our container's full, we're going to go ahead and view our cart. One thing I do want to discuss and disclose here as we're looking at our cart, these prices, these totals here, that is completely shipped and landed at your store, distribution center, warehouse, wherever. We have calculated the import duty, the freight, the drayage, the cost of the shipping container, and the cost of the product you're choosing, and it automatically calculates all of that for you into your total here. So you can trust that whenever you check out and you pay this amount, you can trust that that will include everything. There will be no other fees, or if you are tax exempt, which if you're a retail store or wholesaler or distributor, you will be tax exempt whenever you buy products in bulk, that is the total amount that your products will cost. There are no hidden fees, nothing that will be added. So we're going to go ahead and proceed to checkout. And again, that button would be grayed out if you didn't have a full container. But since ours was full, it will allow us to check out. So after you've finished entering all your information here, it will ask you for your tax ID. And we do recommend that you do create an account. And we do offer discounts and promotions to our account members. It is free to create an account. It will also keep track of all of your order history and your preferences whenever you're shopping here. We won't do that right now, but we do recommend that you do that whenever you are shopping on the website. And then any additional notes, we do require that you enter something here. So we're going to go ahead and place this order. So that's pretty much it for placing an order on the Direct Concepts website. If you have any questions, feel free to go to our Contact Us page. Also, don't fret if you don't have enough quantity to order an entire container. That is okay as well. We do offer, as you can see in our services, we do offer General Global Procurement, LCL service, which stands for Less Than Container Load Service. So even if you don't have enough, we can consolidate your order with someone else's and get it here to the U.S. We offer inspections and certifications, as well as tools, again, for your inventory level and keeping that under control. So feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns or comments. We welcome it. And you have a blessed day. Thank you so much.